I said, for the nth time, talagang abortion, ayaw ko talaga. It's not only a crime,
It's a murder.
eh, ayaw ko yan. Pero just yung pills, gano'n sana. The church is really adamant in its position. Well, for one reason or for so many reasons that they want to, bahala sila. Pero ako, naawa ako sa tao. Okay lang, dalawa, tatlo. Sabi ko nga sa dalawa, tatlo. Ang problema lang is you cannot also recommend ligation. Ang bata pa yung babae. Pero ako mag-abot ng mga 35, 30, above, nasabi ko na, go for ligation. I have a program. 5,000. Binibigyan ko. Asan incentive?
Free.
Oh, binibigyan ko ng 5,000, yung 3 kanya yun, yung dos bayad niya sa doktor. But it's actually, it is a government program. Only one president ever dared to criticize government. That we have fallen short of our programs dito sa ating population program. Ramos. Siya lang. Iba takot kasi. Vote sa Katolik. Takot. Ayaw magharap sa ano. Lahat maghugas ng kamay.
So the fear here, Mayor, is the church blocking the reproductive
Oh,
health.
kasi pati yung pills hindi talaga pwede.
So let the church help in the feeding of those neglected children. I am doing my share. They should do their share also, because they are the ones blocking it.
Pati kasi yung pills ay hindi pwede. Lalo ng vasectomy. May iba namang may iba namang kasing acceptable, pero itong crazy notion about men, yung warped minds, so insecure, ayaw naman nila yung asawa nila kasi pag itong sa babae, yung procedure, naging promiscuous daw. Nalungko na. Yung failed mind.